My name is Maxine Shapro. I'm 70 years old. I am a retired lawyer living in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've lived here for approximately 4 years. I started experiencing thinning and balding when I was around 40 years old. It was in the top of my scalp and on sort of where my hairline is. I experienced it because I had been doing perms all my life, and then I had done braiding and hair weaving, and it pulled my hair, so I started to get very thin. After that, then I tried wigs, and that made the problem even worse because, you know, it wears away on your hairline. So eventually I just didn't feel comfortable with my hair uncovered. I wanted to cover my hair all the time. It affected my confidence, and it also affected how I dealt with certain aspects of my life. So I figured maybe this could help, and maybe even make me look younger in the process. After I got here, and I didn't know if I was going to do it, but then I talked to Joe, and he put me at ease, and also I saw his hair, or his head and his hair, and I liked it, and he felt, you know, that it had helped him, and I thought that it could help me too. So he made me feel very comfortable about it. He explained it very well. I felt coming in to full micropigmentation that Joe and the staff were very professional, very clean. That was important. I felt comfortable. This procedure has helped my confidence in life because I feel that if I could do this and it could come out looking good, then maybe I can do some other stuff too, like losing weight. After I've had this procedure, I exercise every day. I go for walks every day. When I look into the mirror now, I see a younger me. It's different. It's not with all the hair around my face, but it's cleaner. I feel freer now. I don't have to deal with my hair as much. The only thing I have to do is shave it every so often, and that's not a lot. And you don't spend a lot of time tending to your hair. Basically, if you have shampoo, that's about all you need. So I like that. What I like most about my new look is that I can do things without having to worry about hair blowing away or anything like that, or people looking at it wondering, you know, is that her hair, is that not her hair? I think this is a more honest look. I feel that I haven't done it yet, but if I go swimming, I don't have to worry about anything. You know, it's a carefree kind of existence. I would say, okay, the advice that I would give someone who is thinking about setting up a consultation with full micropigmentation, I would say do it today, do it really quick, and start living. You know, why be afraid? You know, if you want to do something, try it and see if you're going to like it.